That. But hers can grab a sling, but Dad's cannot. All right, we can go. Remember, you still have his remote.
Come.
We'll go straight.
Scout.
Scout, you gotta flush it. Dead bird. He's got it.
There. Nope.
Where is it? Oh, I see it.
Still looking the corn.
Okay. I'll direct him. You guys try and take it down. Scout. Dead bird. Ah. I told you about your damn safety and I didn't take off my damn safety. I'm like, shit, I'm right in the middle. I have the perfect shot. At least he came back around.
Yeah.
He should be in our area. Yeah, she sees it. Get as close. Scout. Scout, come here. Bye-bye. That's why I said, give me the remote. You can't do both at the same time. Scout. Sit. Sit. Get closer if you need to. Wow, damn, nice shot, baby. No. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. It's right there on the floor.
Dead bird. Yeah, he sniffed it.
Is it a chukar?
Yeah, it's a chukar, because it's at the pink. Scout, come here.
There.
Good boy. Good boy.
Here.
Come here. Good job. Look at that.
Boy.
Look at that. Come here. Yeah, see.
Yeah, that's a clean shot.
It's playing dead. It'll wake back up. You want a reward toss? Okay. Okay. Good boy. Bring it here. Good job. That's a good boy. Mama shot that one. Mama did a good shot on the first one. Yeah.
I think that's the cleanest one we've shot.
That's why. And then he goes number 2. You gotta be careful because there's people in front of us. Ooh, right there. There's a.
Dang it.
Damn, that really went.
That went really
That was right where he is, right there. Shit. It let us get pretty close too. Shit. Come on, buddy. Oh, he got something.
Thing's looking at it.
Yeah, he's looking at it. Yep. Yeah, it did go down. Scout. Hunt him up. Dead bird. Dead bird. Come on. Come on. Dead bird. It's wounded. Come on. Dead bird, over here. Over here. You see it? Dead bird.
You see it?
No, I don't. Use your nose. Dead bird. Alright. You're just jumping. Because this is the general area it went down. Dead bird. Dead bird. Yeah, see?
Go! Dead bird.
Yeah, see, you're the one that took it down, baby. Oh, you got it?
Got it?
No. But he sniffed
He's
something.
not around here.
Yeah, he's sniffing something. Got it?
Probably around there.
He got something. He got it. He got it.
Hey.
Good job. Holy shit, man. Good shit, baby. Good shit. Yeah. Get that booty tonight. Ooh.
It's still alive.
Did it run?
Yeah, it ran.
It's right there. It's right there.
All right. Hey, Scout.
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 Scout, come.
All right, Chewy, it's yours. Scout. Got it?
No, don't touch that.
Scout. Come here. Scout. Come here.
I'm not sure if I got it. Oh, wait.
You can pick it up too. It wouldn't pick you.
No, I don't know. I don't see it no more.
All right, Scout. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Go. Go. Good boy.
It acted dead.
Yeah. That's good though. That means he picked it up with just his scent. Where is it? Where is it? Is it in here? Where is it? Dead bird.
I saw it like go through
Oh,
somewhere.
all right. Come on, dead bird. Keep looking. Oh, I stepped on something. I don't know if it's grass or not. Dead bird.
Find that bird.
Ah, so you wounded it.
Yeah,
That bird.
That's why it didn't fly up again. It's wounded. So it would have to crawl.
It was a pretty far shot.
That's pretty. At least you got it down.
Yeah. At least we got it on camera. I'll edit the other part out.
What? No, that's a big one.
Scout, dead bird. Find it. Yep. Good boy. Use your nose.
That's probably why I didn't fight him.
Because it was wounded?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's wounded. So, but the moment he put it on the floor, you saw the walk.
it-
Yeah.
Oh shit!
PTSD is coming back.
Anything? Come on.
Find
Dead bird.
somebody. Because you could have boiled it down.
Yeah, I think it's in this tall grass, but he's not fully going in it. It was over here, Scout. Use your nose. Oh man, that was such a good. You didn't see it twitch after you shot?
I'm not sure because it started getting camouflaged. I was like,
Oh.
fuck it, I'm just gonna shoot.
Oh, then you probably didn't get it.
Probably boiled
Yeah, because if you got it, he would have sniffed the blood and everything. Yeah, because the last I saw it was right here too. But I thought you landed it. It was a good retrieve, a good shot down. He just didn't bring it to us because we were in the tall grass. You want to keep looking or no? Yeah? Scout. Scout.
Stop.
Dead-
Dead bird.
dead bird.
Find it.
Dead bird. Dead bird. Can you find it? Last look. Come on, dead bird. Oh, he keeps going that way.
Probably like reared off there when I
Yeah.
shot it.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
No, because it went in here.
I know it went in here, and I think it took off that way.
But I don't think it'll run that fast.
No, but still, if your dog is not fully trained and we're not trained, it gives it has advantage on us, on stealth.
Wouldn't it?
Amateur.
Yeah. Dead bird. You got something? This is right where Chewy shot. You got it?
That tail gives it up.
Yeah, the tail gives it off. And he's trying to...
There
Good
it is.
boy.
Oh, I
Good
got
boy.
It's still
Wait, is
alive.
it dead though?
No,
it's
it's not
alive.
dead. It's not dead. Good boy. Alright, I don't know the best way to kill it though.
Break its
Break
neck.
its neck.
Pull. Just pull.
Oh, pole?
Pull. Pop.
Are you done?
Nope. I don't know. Just like hard?
Yeah, so.
Oh.
Yep.
Ooh. All right. Scout. Dead bird. Dead bird. Come on. Yeah, I know. Shut up, bitch. You motherfucker. The head again.
It's the head again?
Yeah. Scout, come here.
Scout, bring.
You have to fetch it. No, he's licking the blood. If there's flesh, he starts to lick it. That's why with yours, he received it just fine. All right. All right. So I guess we'll go that way. There's another one there. Oh! He's coming back. No, he's... How far is he? That was the last one.
The other field now.
It's in the other field?
Yeah.
That was the last one. Yeah.